Welcome back to Affiliate Reviews. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at Split Test Monkey. Now, as per usual, there will be a link in the video description where you can check out the sales page that we're going to be looking at. If you purchase the product through that link, I will receive a commission. But if you've watched any of my videos before, you know that just because I have a link doesn't mean that I don't give an honest review. I'm not here to just promote a product. I'm not here to hype something up. Bad products get bad reviews. Good products get good reviews. My goal is to help you navigate all of the varying products that are available, or at least to navigate some of them, to help you find good products that are going to help you achieve your particular goals in your particular path to trying to achieve an online income. So with that in mind, again, we are looking today at Split Test Monkey. This is a WordPress product, or it's designed for WordPress, and it basically what it does is right in the name. It's going to take split testing and make it really, really easy. Now, if you're not familiar with split testing is simply taking two or more funnels, two or more competing sites. Right, so you could have, say, a banner ad on your blog, and you might have a banner ad on somebody else's page, and you want to know how all of those different banners are performing in terms of generating traffic for you. Or you might simply have two different kinds of ads, and you want to be able to compare which one is more effective so that you can figure out maybe how to improve the one that's less effective, or to drop it entirely. Basically, it's a way of doing analytics, competing, checking your own marketing tools against each other. And split testing traditionally is a very time-consuming and difficult thing to do because it involves sitting down, or did involve sitting down and doing a lot of analytical study between these things. What Split Test Monkey does is to allow you to take pretty much any links that you have and to check them over time against one another so that you can do that analytical research very, very quickly. Now, there's a promotional video up here. This is a little over 7 minutes long, about 7.5, and it does include a short demonstration. There's another video down a little ways here that somewhere, there we go. There's another demo down here that's just under 5 minutes long that shows a couple of quick tests being done. And granted, this is being done by the people who are releasing the product, so they clearly know what they're doing and they're clearly prepared for it, but they do manage to set up a split test in under 2 minutes, which is pretty impressive. Now, I'm going to be candid right off the bat. There are certain platforms like Facebook and Google, and I'm sure a lot of others as well. I'm not going to get into them all, but there are certain platforms that allow split testing when you set up your ad campaigns. So, for example, if you do some Facebook advertising and you set up multiple campaigns, or rather, you set up multiple advertising platforms for one campaign, you can split test. You can set up split tests to check out which ad is doing best in a campaign, or which ads are underperforming. So you can do that already, and it's about as quick and easy as this is. What this is allowing you to take. It's allowing you to do this across virtually anything. It's running it all through WordPress, of course, but it's going to allow you to track these things across various different platforms. So that's going to be beneficial if you're using blogs, if you've got multiple landing pages, if you've got multiple sales pages. Basically, the bigger the funnel you have set up, the better this is going to work for you, actually, or the more time that this is going to save you. It sets up very quickly, and of course, looking at the analytics later, it's doing all of the work, so you are able to just look and make decisions very, very quickly based on the information coming back to you. So who can benefit from split testing? Well, email list builders, product vendors, affiliate marketers, social media marketers, media buyers and advertisers, e-commerce and store owners, bloggers, authors and publishers. And I'm not going to read through all of this. I don't want to make this a super long video. But basically anybody who has an online presence and is trying to build an audience or sell a product is able to achieve greater results with split testing. That's the purpose of split testing, is to do better. So we've got some helpful information here. You can unlimited split tests, unlimited visitors, 0 monthly fees, set and forget VIP. Now, about the only thing I don't like about this page is that it doesn't actually show pricing. I honestly, between this site, the sales page, and the JV page, I honestly can't tell you anything about the pricing. So until the product actually launches, which should be about the same time that this video goes live, I can't tell you anything about the price. What I can tell you is that whatever the price is, and I don't think it's going to be super hefty. My guess would be that it's going to be landing in around the $40 range, but it may be less than that. Whatever the price is, it's going to be up to you ultimately to make the decision about whether or not that price is worth it to save you that kind of money and get you good results. Now, you're also going to get some bonuses. You're going to get split testing made easy. These are all going to be training guides. So split testing made easy, where to start testing, what to test and why, 3-step secrets of writing, grab them by the shirt collar, headlines, the 6 P's of conversion. So more training. All conversions are important. Many of you will probably have experienced the pain of having had hundreds or even thousands of impressions in a day. I remember talking to somebody a few years ago who was trying to promote a sales event with their store, and they didn't really know how to set up Facebook marketing, but they were using Facebook ads. And they were boasting about how many impressions they had made. And I smiled and said, yes, but what is your conversion rate? And they said, what does that mean? And I said, well, impressions just means that somebody has seen it or it has been shown to someone. It doesn't mean that they've actually done anything with it. So what we want to do is take impressions and convert them or change them over to conversions. We want people to take action and click on our links and ideally drive them towards making purchases. So 6 P's of conversion. This is definitely going to be additional helpful training for you. Again, in pretty much whatever you do online. And a copywriting crash course. Now, there are lots of copywriting services and even softwares available. But it's useful to know the sorts of things that catch people's attention and be able to write your own copy, whether it's sales copy for a website or email copy for your subscription lists, whatever it may be. We've got some FAQs down here. There's no long-term commitments or contracts. You can access it from anywhere because it's web-based. It's got a 30-day money-back guarantee. And you can set up, it's got a bit on split URL and A/B element testing. If you watch a couple of the videos, it's going to explain a bit of this as well. I don't want to get into a lot of stuff on testing right now. And that brings us down to the bottom. We've got some copyright, user end, yada, yada, yada stuff. I am going to give this one I know a lot of the time I give fairly guarded recommendations. This one I think is going to basically fall down to whether or not you think it's worth the price. Again, I don't know what the pricing is. This is going to be a good product. I've watched I've watched the demos. The guys putting it out are pretty solid marketers. It's a WordPress product. Most of you are likely, if you have a website, I'm going to guess that there's probably about a 95% chance that you have a WordPress-based site. It's just WordPress is so tremendously flexible and versatile that if you're doing something yourself, or even if you're working with a platform developer, WordPress is so easy for you to access and make your own changes on and manage. I don't know why. I mean, I know there are some other good options as well, but WordPress, I think, is certainly still the industry leader. So this is going to help you out with your website tremendously. It's going to help you maximize your ad campaigns, your marketing campaigns, whatever you're trying to do. This will help you to improve your web presence and conversion rates. So that is Split Test Monkey for WordPress Plus. Hope that has been a helpful review for you guys. I think there are some upsells with this. I'm not sure they're related to the product. Unfortunately, I don't have much information available to me on those either, so I think they're probably other WordPress plugins. But hope that's been helpful. Thanks for checking out the video. Hope you guys have a great day, and hopefully we'll see you back here again soon.